So this is how you make a print. You take a negative and you put it in the enlarger carrier, and light will pass through the negative onto the main base, where it will become a larger picture because of the distance. Every distance you take it away from, it gets a bigger and bigger picture. And so I've gone through and I've done my test strips, and now I'm going to do a final print, and I'm doing it for 10 seconds with a filter of 3.5. Alright, now it's been exposed for 10 seconds. We take it over to developer. We immerse it into developer, and we'll shake it and agitate it so that the chemicals cover it completely and evenly. And you'll see the picture begin to show up. And usually it stays in developer for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how dark you want the image. And it's starting to come up, as you can see. If you can't see, I'm sorry. But the image is coming up. It's coming up very clearly. And you just shake it until you want it to the complete, like the best darkness you can. And that looks about right. And then you'll take it out of the developer, make sure you shake it off, and then you'll put it over into the stop bath. You keep it in stop bath for about 30 seconds, and it'll develop for, what stop bath does is it stops the developing process so the image doesn't keep coming up, and that way it doesn't get darker. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds. You'll take it out and you'll let it drip off again so you don't transfer and contaminate each chemicals. And then you'll put it in Fixer, and what Fixer does is it makes the picture archival. And that way when you're done with, when you stop the process of developing, you put it in here, it'll hold this for many, many years. And this goes for 3 to 5 minutes. We won't do it that long. But after you do the Fixer, then you'll move it over to the water wash. And in water wash, what it'll do is it'll just wash off all the chemicals and make sure that it's a nice clean image. That way there's no spots or anything like that. And that's how you develop a photo from a negative, and that's what I learned.